everybody. I'm here with my wife Jill. We are just leaving Hallsville, Washington right now, headed out to beautiful Sequim, Washington. Jill is playing her design game, where she is an interior designer. You know, people get paid for that, you know.
Yeah, they're probably stealing my ideas.
This is quintessential. I think that's the right word. Words are tricky. But this is quintessential Washington in November, what it looks like. There's like a little bit of wind, everything is kind of wet. All the leaves are either falling or it's a different kind of color, and the sky is a variety of different grays. And this, my friends, is normal for Highway 3 North. Going to the beautiful Little Peninsula on a weekend day. The world has caught on. And here it is. The Hood Canal Bridge. This is a floating bridge that is a drawbridge because sometimes large aircraft might land on it now. Submarines and other water vessels need to travel. Secret military stuff.
I think they're going to get rid of it because they found out that it's killing all the salmon.
So we're going to prioritize salmon over our national defense.
We're going to replace it.
We're going to repeal and replace the Hood Canal Bridge. Pretty cool bridge. Thought about boondocking right there on the other side of the road. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Or should I boondock right in this corner?
No trespassing.
Look right there. It's not Spanish, so I can just say it wasn't accessible to me. This is kind of a cool little rig in front of us. Going out to Port Angeles and the Little Peninsula, you see all kinds of different RVs. Like this one was kind of an interesting, it's like a Class C motorhome hybrid kind of thing. And it's probably about as long as my truck is, probably 22 feet long.
It's not a Super B.
Not a Super B. Here we are. We just pulled in and we saw, this is the RV department is over here. Pretty nice Airstream there. I was about to actually just park next to one of these light poles because I noticed that there's a 15 amp outlet on each light pole. I was like, I'll just take one of those, but then Jill saw this guy over here, which is like a legit RV hookup. It has water and 30 amps, so here we are. If it gets completely full, I might consider moving to a 15 amp because honestly, we really don't need that. Maybe someone else needs it more than we do. This is the parking area. So we got Jill hooking up to her phone's hotspot so she can get some schoolwork done. You got the little space heater going. That is a hack. Never use your propane when you're plugged in. Because, yeah, this cost, I think, $12 at Walmart for this. And you can just put your thermostat if you're risky like me. Our laminator getting put to good use. Glamour vanity mirror right there. I'm plugged in. Unplugged. Got the inverter going so we get extra plug-ins. Your what, hotspot working for you?
Yep.
Nice.
Except it would appear that my laptop thinks it still has a second monitor attached to it somewhere. I can't open my paper.
Uh-oh. The laptop is having phantom prior appendages pains that's since been lacerated. The lamppost kind of looks like a giant antenna. Just taking up minimal space. This is a casino. Just the rest of the RVers. Mess with me, you get the axe. There's a little saying that goes, if you don't look back at her and you walk away, she's not the one for you, bro. The in-camper shot. We are waiting for our reservation at 7:30. What are you gonna get?
Bread.
Yes, this is very much a holiday for us, so we're eating trash. I think I'm gonna get a chicken thing or a French dip shit, whatever that is. And we broke into our own cupboard and found some tequila.
We got from Ohio.
Yeah, so this might get rough later tonight. I'm glad we have the wet bath there because it might be getting wet.
Thank Evan and Cody.
Yeah, thank you, my brother Evan and Cody, for the tequila. It's not WAP, it's WAB. About to be a wet ass bathroom. It was hailing pretty bad, and we have like legit slush, and we would not escape from any crime right now because they have our prints and our tracks. They'd be able to calculate everything about me by my footprint.
How much you weigh, how fast you're going,
Yep.
what you're wearing.
Social security number. Whether or not I've had COVID. How long it hangs. I'm talking about the mud flops in my truck, of course. That's right, we got a potato, chicken, green beans thing, and french fries type horseradish deal going on here. Pretty good. Oh yeah. And that dude just had a birthday thing and I was singing along. Good times. So we've been hearing some really creepy whispering and stuff going on. Jill's getting harassed and I don't really know what to do. Kind of scary. Say what you just said.
I said, I'm not picky, which is what you called me. I'm not picky, I'm critical.
It's like chocolate cheesecake, but they put coconut German chocolate cake stuff on it too. Is it good? Yeah, it's really freaking good. Jillian, she's so into it that she doesn't even sit down. Just does her slot machine standing up. She's so enthusiastic about the slots. We're now leaving the casino.
The truck matches those trees.
A truck matches those trees. Wow. Why are Dodges so extra? I just alienated any of the Dodge drivers that are watching this. Sorry guys, but seriously, it's really nice to be out here where the air is fresh, where the buffalo and the antelope roam free. How does that song go?
Yes.
Some shit like that. Anyway, glad to be out of the perma cigarette smell. It is Sunday morning. And since we're hooked up, this thing right here was incredible. Just leave it on all night. When it gets hot enough, it turns off. Boom! How you like that? Drier than a woman at a Trump rally? I don't know. And 77 degrees when it is frosty cold outside. Fuck you are. It's not gonna focus, but it's like 30 something degrees outside. Oh, and Jill had a good idea. Got the water pump on. Yeah. 1 2 1 2. Yeah, you heard me.